Good morning, children. Have a nice day. Today we are explaining about properties of division of integers. Recap. Find the value of 2 into 3. Multiplying is just repeated addition, so we need to add 2 3 times. So then 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals to 6. So how would this look on a number line? Number line is there, 2 steps, more 2 steps, more 2 steps. So we reach 6. So 2 into 3 equals to 6. 2 times 3. 3 times. Introduction. We know that division is the inverse operation of multiplication. Let's see an example. 4 into 3 equals to 12. So 12 divided by 4 equal to 3. Okay, 12. 4 as a group, 4 as a group, 4 as a group. So how many groups are there? 3 groups formed. So there are 3 sets of 4. 12 divided by 3. So 3 steps, 3 groups, 3 as a group. 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups and 4 groups. So there are 4 sets of 3. Observe the table and complete it. Multiplication statement, corresponding division statement. So here 6 into 2 equals to 12. So here 12 divided by 6 equals to 2 and 12 divided by 2 equals to 6. Next, minus 8 into 3 equals to minus 24. Here minus 24 divided by minus 8 equals to 3 and minus 24 divided by 3 equals to minus 8. Here 6 into minus 9 equals to minus 4, 54. So minus 54 divided by 6 equals to minus 9 and minus 54 divided by minus 9 equals to 6. Next one, minus 12 into minus 3 equals to 36. So 36 divided by minus 12 equal to minus 3 and 36 divided by minus 3 equals to minus 12. Division of integers. In general, for any two integers a and b, a divided by b is equal to a divided by b. Positive divided by positive equals to positive. Minus a divided by b equals to minus a divided by minus only b plus b. So where b is equals to 0. b is not equal to 0, not b is equal to 0. So negative divided by positive equals to negative. A divided by minus b equals to minus a divided by b, where b is not equal to 0. Then positive divided by negative equals to negative. Here both negative, so result will be positive. Negative divided by negative equals to positive. Properties of division of integers. Find the division of 11 divided by 2 minus 17 divided by 5. Have a look at the quotients. Are they integers? Here 11 divided by 2, 5 and half, 1 and half, 11 by 2. So we convert into mixed fraction 5 and half. Here minus 17 by 5 we convert into mixed fraction minus 3, 1 by 5. If a and b are integers, then a divided by e is necessarily an integer. Already here we show that 5 and half not an integer, minus 3, 1 by 5 not an integer. E is minus 8 divided by minus 4 is equal to minus 4 divided by minus 8. Answer, no, is not equal to same. Here First one is 2 and second was 1 by 2. So not equal to. Is minus 17 divided by 5 is equal to 5 divided by minus 17? No. If a and b are integers, then a divided by b is not necessarily b divided by a. We know that 0 into 7 equal to 0. If we divide 7 both sides, that is 0 into 7 by 7 equal to 0 by 7. Therefore 0 divided by 7 equal to 0. 0 divided by an integer other than 0 is equal to 0 for, that is for any integer a. 0 divided by a is equal to 0. Properties of division of integers. A by 0 is equal to, it is not defined. Any integer other than 0 divided by 0 is not defined. That is for any integer a divided by 0 is not defined. Find the division of 13 divided by 1 minus 17 divided by 1. Result is same number, 13 minus 17. So any integer divided by 1 gives the same integer. A divided by 1 equal to a for any integer a. Find the division of 15 divided by minus 1 minus 6 divided by minus 1. Result is not same number. Minus 15 first one and second one 6. So here 15 divided by minus 1, answer is minus 15. So here minus 6 divided by minus 1, answer is 6. Any integer divided by minus 1, it does not give the same number. We can say for each multiplication statement of integer numbers there are two division statements. When a positive integer is divided by a negative integer, the quotient obtained is a negative integer and vice versa. Division of a negative integer by another negative integer gives a positive integer as quotient. If x and y are integers, then the result of x divided by y is not necessarily an integer. If x is an integer different from 0, then x divided by x equals to 1. For every integer x, we have x divided by 1 equals to x. If x is a non-zero integer, then 0 divided by x equals to 0. If x is an integer, then x divided by 0 is not meaningful. Thank you. Thank you. P. Srinivas, SMS, ZPHS Rudraram, Karimnagar. Will you meet again?